Bathing, whether standing or lying down. Don't put spotlights on your head. Steaming water vapor meets sharp light. Brings vertigo. Can you install downlight? Yes, very common. Evenly illuminate every inch of skin. Suitable for standing up. It is not suitable for lying down. Because the principle of the bathtub is not only to lie down and not see the light source directly. Otherwise, the experience of bathing is very poor. Today, it is said that the shower area is not only, when buying lights, pay attention to the low color temperature at 3 o'clock. The power should be small. Waterproof is better. The color temperature is around 2700, power 5 watts. Don't worry about not being bright enough. After many people check in, they often feel that the kitchen is not bright enough. The bathroom is too bright. This is a brief table of water resistance ratings. The numbers in front represent dust protection. The numbers on the back represent waterproofing. Choose IP65 for the shower area. Choose IP44 for other places in the bathroom.